In this video, we will discuss updating software using the A-dec Plus mobile app. Available software updates will show on both the dashboard and My Products page. There are two ways to start a software update. The first is using the Update All button at the top of the My Products page. The second is individually updating the equipment. Start by selecting the device. Then press the Update button at the top of the screen. A pop-up window will appear warning that the product will not be usable during the update and asking for confirmation that the device is not in use and that the device is powered on. Check the boxes to confirm that the device is not in use and that the device is powered on. Press Update. After a few seconds, a status bar will appear below the device's name, showing update status. Update times will vary based on the type and configuration of the equipment being updated. When the update is complete, the device will restart. A message will then appear stating that the update was performed successfully. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.